Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another product review. Be sure to hit that bell notification, subscribe to the show and all that good stuff so you can get all the notifications of everything we do. Check out the podcast as well. This is a really cool product. I really enjoyed this. We've gotten a lot of different variations of dog monitors and trackers, and for the large part, I never liked much of them. They're usually big, bulky, the dog's uncomfortable with them, and the batteries burn through like every week. This one I've really enjoyed, and I highly recommend. You can go to Petcare.com. It's the Animo from them. They sell a whole mess of different things. But basically, this is a lifelong activity tracker and behavior monitor for dogs. It will give you a greater understanding of your dog's health and well-being, the patterns of their life, and also alert you to any interruptions that they might have with that life. It measures their activities, the calories they burn, their sleep, their behavior, the rest that they take and do. And then, of course, it shows it to you in a graphical format, so you can monitor what's going on 24 hours a day, and you can also see what's maybe what they stop doing or interruptions, whether it's morning walks, sleeping on the table, barking at the postman. All of the dog's activity is packed into the app for you. Very lightweight, 22 grams. The dog doesn't even know they have it on. 37 millimeters in diameter. It's really easy to deal with. 6-month battery life. This is the thing I really love about it. I haven't had to change the battery life for like a month, which I really like. There's been some other models we've had that just burn through batteries like it's going out of style. And I just check in every now and then. It automatically, I think, syncs, but every now and then I check in as well. Waterproof is IP67. It's ideal for dogs who like to swim, roll in the mud. You don't have to worry getting damaged and all that good stuff. You can give access to your family and friends, and you can receive alerts for significant changes in behavior. You can also see on the graph, you'll be like, puppy isn't sleeping properly as much as she used to, or he used to. What's going on? You can learn more about your dog's behavior just by seeing what's going on. It's pretty darn cool. 1-year warranty, works with the iOS and Android compatibility. And the synchronization, it will last up to 3 weeks of memory between syncs. It works really good. I was really impressed with it. My dog doesn't seem to mind it at all. And man, I get to see how well she's sleeping and how well she's doing things, eating, barking, her activity level every day. I can see if it's consistent or if it's the breaks in the graphs. And that way I might get tipped off for health or something's really bothering her. Anyway, check it out. You can go to surepetcare.com. Check out the Animo. You can take an order up. I think it's definitely worth it, and it's a beautiful device. You know when things are going on with your puppy dog. And I highly recommend it. I was just really impressed with the product, and it's just so easy to use, and the battery lasts a long time. That was a big draw for me. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast and the channel. Hit that bell notification button, and we'll see you next time.